Writing a resume from scratch can be a daunting task, but breaking it down into manageable steps can make the process more straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide for job seekers. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information, including your contact details, educational background, work experience, skills, and any certifications or achievements. Take note of specific examples of how you've demonstrated your skills in previous roles. Step 2. Choose a format. Decide on the format that best suits your background. The most common formats are chronological, functional, or a combination of both. Step 3. Create a header. At the top of your resume, include your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile if applicable. Make sure your email address is professional. Step 4. Write a compelling summary or objective. Craft a brief summary or objective statement that provides an overview of your career goals, skills, and what you can bring to the table. Tailor this to the specific job you're applying for. Step 5. Highlight skills. Create a dedicated section for your key skills. Include a mix of technical and soft skills relevant to the job you're seeking. Use keywords from the job description. Step 6. Detail your work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order. For each position, include your job title, company name, location, and dates of employment. Provide concise bullet points that highlight your responsibilities and achievements, focusing on quantifiable results where possible. Step 7. Showcase education. Detail your educational background, including the institutions attended, degrees earned, and graduation dates. If you're a recent graduate or have limited work experience, emphasize relevant coursework, projects, or academic achievements. Step 8. Include additional sections if necessary. Depending on your background, consider adding sections such as certifications, awards, publications, languages, or volunteer experience to showcase additional relevant information. Step 9. Tailor for each job application. Customize your resume for each job application by incorporating keywords from the job description. Highlight experiences and skills that align with the specific requirements of the position. Step 10. Proofread and edit. Review your resume for grammatical errors, typos, and formatting issues. Consider asking a friend or mentor to provide feedback. A polished and error-free resume demonstrates attention to detail. Step 11. Save and submit. Save your resume in a common format and ensure the file name is professional. When submitting online, follow the employer's instructions regarding file formats. Remember, your resume is a dynamic document that should evolve as your career progresses. Regularly update it to reflect new experiences and skills.